Hi guys, as you can see we have multiple divs here with different colors, and if we click on this link, this will take us to the pink color. So how to link a specific part of a page in HTML is really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. These are all of our divs with colors. Let's move to the last div. This one we need to give it an ID. So ID equal to double quotation, suppose D green, dark green. Then we will add the link less than a href equal to double quotation greater than, then the text move to green part less than slash a greater than. Now inside the href we will give the ID hashtag D green, save, reload. Now if we click on this link, see it's taking us to the green part. But suppose we don't want this underline. For that we need to add a style equal to double quotation inside text dash decoration clone none, and we are done. Save, reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.